students. Today's my topic is common nouns. Yesterday I have told you about kinds of noun and also proper noun. Now after that second topic is common noun in kinds of noun. So common noun means a noun that gives a common name to a person, place or thing is known as common noun. Which means a common name is given to a person, place or thing is known as common noun. Second important thing you have to remind that common noun do not begin with a capital letter. Further, if the sentence begin with a common noun, then there is a capital letter will be written in the common noun. So, for example, a boy is reading a book. In this sentence, boy is used as common noun and book is used as common noun because boy is any boy surrounding you is used as a boy and book it is any book which we are talking about. So these two words are common noun. Next, cows and goats are milk animals. You also well know that cows and goats give the milk to us. So cows we are talking about any cow and goats we are talking about any goat. And milk animals means they are giving the milk. So animals is used for all the animals. Next example, trees and plants are very useful. As we know, it is talking about any tree and any plant. So it is a common noun. Next example, there are many big cities in our country. In this sentence, big cities. Cities is the common noun and country is also a common noun. Because in India, many cities are there like Kolkata, Delhi, Bombay. So cities word is commonly used for all the cities. So it is a common noun here. And country is also a common because in this we have take many other countries also if we want. Okay. So next comes with the profession. If we talk about profession, any word will be used in this. Doctor, dentist, clerk. So as these are different kinds of professions, but if we use only the profession word, it is a common word for all these words. Okay. Next come to the relation. Relation is your mother, your father, your siblings, your brother, your sister, anybody is there in this. So relation word when it comes, it is a common word for all the other relations. Next come to the vegetables. If we take the vegetable point, brinjal, pumpkin, spinach, coriander, any vegetable or vegetables which are founding surrounding you, it is used as vegetable. So vegetable word is commonly used for these kinds of vegetables. Next is fruits. If we take fruit, it is papaya, mango, apple, banana, any further fruits which you want, which you like. Okay. So fruits word is common for all this type of fruits. Next come to the articles. It is chair, bag, fan, television. Any article which is made by a human being, it is known as articles. So article word is commonly used for all these items. Next come to the animals. Animals, dog, cat, tiger, any other animal, but animals word is commonly used for this type of animals. Next come to the bird. If we take bird, parrot, crow, cock, peacock, sparrow, which is found nearby us, all the type of birds. So birds words is common used for these type of birds. Next come, if we take the example of organs, organ, finger, face, neck, head, hand, leg, any type of organ which is found commonly in all the other persons also. Na? So it is organ word is common for all this type of organs. Next is measurement unit. If we take this measurement unit is, you all know that kilogram, milligram. When we buy anything, we can take it in this measurement units we have to. So measurement unit is the common word for this. Next is place. If we talk about the place, it is temple, mosque, hospital, market, wherever we go for our personal work, it is known as place. If I give you some more examples to make it more clear, I went to a post office to buy stamps. I went to a post office. This sentence giving a sense we are going to post office to buy the stamps. But it is anywhere is post office, na? So it is a common here. it is a common noun, and stamps is also a common noun. Next example, my grandmother is a religious lady. My grandmother, in the sense, it is anybody's grandmother. Your grandmother, my grandmother, anybody's grandmother. So this word is common word used for our grandma. So, and lady is also, you know that grandmother is a lady, so it is a common word, so it is a common noun. Next, come to the next example. My dog plays with cats and never hurts them. Here dog and cats are also used as common. Anybody's dog, your dog, my dog, anybody's pet animal which is found in their home. So dog, cats are common. Now, next, there were books, socks, shoes and all over the room. Means books, socks and shoes are spreading here and there in the room. So books, socks and shoes are the common noun. Next, boys and girls. In this sentence, I make it clear here that boys is with capital letter. It is common noun, but it is capital letter, but because when we start the sentence, the first word will be always in capital. That's why it is in capital letter. So boys and girls, it is any boy or any girl. You also know that they wear always different garments. So it is boys and girls are as a common noun here. In a summarized form, if I come, in a summarized form, common noun that are the common names used for person, place or thing is known as common noun. For example, I have tell you previous also that boy, girl, mother, father, city, river, soft drink, subject. Means boy means any boy, girl means any girl which we found surrounding us. Mother means your mother, my mother, anybody's mother. Father is common word used for everybody's father. Okay, city, any city like Prayagraj, Kolkata. Okay, next is river. River word is commonly used for the different type of rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Yamunotri, Brahmaputra. Okay, soft drinks. Many soft drinks are there, but I like to drink only the Pepsi or Coca-Cola. So soft drink word is used as a common word. Subject. If we take subject, it is or English or Hindi, any subject, na. So these are all the common words. Thank you.